Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl No Theory, and I'm coming back to you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I edit my Instagram pictures. Yeah, I know sometimes a lot of people don't want to share their secrets on how they edit their Instagram pictures, because regardless, literally 95% of people on Instagram edit their pictures. Whether you want to believe it or not, they do, especially in the beauty community. I'm gonna just spill the tea. Yeah, I only use a couple of apps. I don't go ham. I'm going to show specifically how I do my editing process, and if you guys want to see it and how I get my pictures to look bomb, then just keep watching. I edit my pictures on iPhone. I don't know apps for Androids or Galaxies, you know. I just know for iPhone. So if you don't have an iPhone, I'm so sorry, sis. But anywho, I use a total of 2 apps to edit my pictures on. I use Facetune 2, and I use an app called LightRoom. Those are the only apps that I use. I don't use any other apps. So let's get into it, shall we?
Yeah, get into it.
Okay, so do not judge the song I was listening to, and do not judge my home screen, because anyway. So literally all I do is I go to Facetune. Start off with Facetune first. This is an old picture that I edited, but yeah, I have hella crap in my phone, but I think I'm gonna edit. I think I shot these today. I think I'm gonna edit this one. This is a really good one. So what I do is I go to the retouch tool, and then literally I just hit smooth. I hit the eraser so I don't accidentally smooth something I don't want to smooth. I zoom in, and then I take the tool, and then I literally just lightly go over the texture areas of my skin, not even a lot. And then I like to go over my neck, because I do have eczema, and right now my neck looks a different color than my face, but I'm going to fix that. Then I like to go to the details tool, and I like to emphasize my lips, my eyes, my hair, my earring, my background where my leaves are, just so y'all can tell the difference. Then I like to use the vibrance tool. Sometimes I'll use that to go over my eyeshadow. I also enhance my eyeshadow in Lightroom, so I'll show that to y'all on the other app. To get my pop and highlight, because I know people have been asking, I go to paint. I go to paint again. I click the white color, and then I lightly go over my highlight to emphasize my highlight. And I also like to emphasize my lips, make them look double juicy. And then I kind of soften it up a little bit, just so my highlight doesn't look so harsh. And just so you guys can see the difference, back, now, back, now. So that's what it looks like. Alright, so now to sharpen up the picture, get a little bit of like color and, you know, more life into the picture, I like to go to edit. I like to take it down like 2 to 3 notches, just because I don't know, I feel like my ring light kind of washes me out sometimes, so I gotta add a little bit of darkness back into the picture. Contrast, I always stick it between 3 and 4. Color just depends on what type of lighting I took my picture in, but I usually stick between 4 and 7. Today I'm gonna do 5. Then I'm gonna sharpen. A lot of people don't know, when you upload to Instagram, Instagram doesn't sharpen your pictures, and you need to sharpen your pictures to make them look more vibrant and more attractive to the eye. When you upload to Instagram, it actually takes sharpness away, so you have to add it back. So I like to stick between 7 and 12 depending on the picture. So I think I'm gonna do 7 today. Yeah, no, I think I'm gonna do 8. I think I'm gonna do 8 today. Alright, and I save that to my phone, and then we take it over to Lightroom. So this is another old picture. I'm gonna go add a camera roll, go here. And then I have my picture from Facetune. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to color, And all these colors literally enhance every color in this picture. So for my background, since I have green leaves, I'm going to emphasize the green. And then since I have blue in my waterline, I'm going to emphasize the blue, make it more saturated, more vibrant. I'm going to add a little bit of orange just to bring some warmth back into my skin. Literally only three or four. And then I like to go to light. And then the only thing I mess with up here is the exposure, contrast, shadows, the blacks, the whites, and the highlights. So pretty much everything up here, I play with it as I see fit. So I'm going to go to shadows. And this cancels out shadows. I like to negative it, just to make the picture look more, have more dimension. And then I go to blacks, which makes the picture a little bit darker in some spaces. It really emphasizes my hair and anything black that I have on. So as you see, it made my eyeliner more bold. It made my hair more bold. I like to go to whites, emphasize my eyes, my shirt, my highlight, my earrings. I like to go to, I'm sorry, yeah, that was the whites. And then I go to highlights, and I do that like on 2. It doesn't really do much, but I just do it anyway. And then for the exposure, I like to bring it down probably like 3 or 4, just because I feel like, because my neck is such a different color than my face, and that's due to my eczema. Like if you look at my chest and my hand, they match, but just, I don't know, I feel like it all works together though. So this is the picture. This is literally the after effect. So I just saved this to my phone, and that's literally all I do, you guys. That's all I do. That's my other Instagram. This is the picture. So yeah, you guys, that's literally all I do. Yeah, you guys, like I literally only use 2 apps. So this is the after, this is the before. Before, after. Before, after. Now doesn't that look so much better and more crisp to the, it looks more crisp to the eye. So yeah, you guys, that's literally all I do with editing my pictures. If you were expecting me to turn into a whole different person, that's not really the case. I just like to emphasize my makeup, emphasize my facial features, my hair. I like certain things to stand out in my pictures, and that's what those 2 apps do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you guys, stay furious. Bye.